Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock Level 3 Troops and Rise of Kingdoms. Unlocking Level 3 Troops and Rise of Kingdoms requires progressing through military research and upgrading key buildings. To begin, select the troop type you want, such as Cavalry, from the stable, and check the requirements for its Level 3 unit. You'll notice that unlocking these troops requires specific military technology research, like Heavy Cavalry, which is completed in the Academy. The Academy becomes available once your City Hall reaches level 6, so prioritizing City Hall upgrades is essential for faster access. After unlocking the Academy, navigate to the Military Technology section and complete the required research leading up to the Level 3 troop upgrades, including units like Spearman, Composite Brown Man, Heavy Cavalry, and Mangonels. As you finish this research task, you'll unlock stronger troops, improving your army's combat performance and overall progression in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.